Hello, today we are making rum chata cheesecake. I'm actually making two at once. So I doubled the recipe. We're gonna take graham cracker crumbs. I took 1 cup of them. So 1 cup is in the bowl. I took 2 teaspoons of sugar. We're gonna mix them up. I should have grabbed the fork first. Like that. Give it a little stir. Then you're gonna take 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Add it to your bowl. Melted butter already solidified. Should probably grab a rubber scraper. Give it a good mix. Keep on mixing it till it's all incorporated. Okay, I think I need to get the last of that little bit of butter. Hold on 1 second. See, there's a little bit left. Whoops. Yeah, the rubber scraper is definitely easier to work with than the spoon. So you work until the mixture is crummy. As I drop some on the floor. And you're gonna pour half of it into your prepared cream cheese tin. This is going in an Instapot. You could put up to 2 of your 7-inch pans in the Instapot. I really like, this one is the Fat Boy. I also have a spring foam pan. The spring foam pan, you have to put aluminum foil over it. So these are the 7-inch ones. The Fat Boy comes with a lid. So I prepared it with baking spray. So half the mixture goes into each pan. Do not press too hard, just a little bit firmly. So I'm gonna put half in each tin. Then I'm gonna spread it around with the spoon. Oh. goes faster when you spin it. So I'm just giving it a spin, spreading the crumb mixture around. It's pretty much sugar and butter and graham cracker crumbs. The Kellogg's one is great. It's better than using the food processor, which takes a while. Although, if you're making pumpkin cheesecake, ginger snap crust is great for that type of cheesecake. So when you're done spreading it around, this is what your crust should look like. So we're gonna stop it right here and then move on to cheesecake.